Welcome to Dan, a vast nature reserve in the northern tip of Israel, sitting on the large source of the Dan stream. The spring is the biggest one in the Middle East, and its waters ultimately flow into the Jordan River. In the heart of the reserve are the remains of the ancient city of Dan. Named after the tribe that conquered it, the city became a major cosmopolitan in the Kingdom of Israel. Many merchants came from far lands carrying their goods into these massive gates. The Bible indicates that the officers and judges used to sit at the gates inspecting closely all the bypassers. At the end of the 10th century BCE, King Jeroboam expanded the city's temple and made Dan an important religious center. Inside the temple, he placed a statue of a golden calf and forced all the people to come and worship it. The verse from Dan to Beersheba describes the geographical location and biblical significance of Dan. Even Abraham came all the way here when rescuing his nephew Lot.